You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to turn off VoiceOver, the screen reader often referred to as blind mode, on your iPhone. If your iPhone is speaking everything you touch, VoiceOver is enabled. To disable it quickly, ask Siri by saying turn off VoiceOver. If Siri is not an option, use the accessibility shortcut, triple click the side button or home button on older iPhones. This will bring up the accessibility shortcuts menu. Tap VoiceOver to toggle it off. If that doesn't work, you need to navigate settings manually. With VoiceOver on, you must use specific gestures. Tap to select, double tap to activate. Go to settings by tapping once to select the icon, then double tap to open. Navigate to accessibility by swiping left or right with one finger to hear options. Then double tapping to select, tap once on VoiceOver, then double tap to enter. Double tap the VoiceOver toggle to turn it off. This can be challenging, so the triple click method is preferred to prevent accidental activation. Go to Settings, then Accessibility Shortcut, and ensure only the features you want are selected. For more simple iPhone accessibility tutorials, subscribe to the channel.